Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Digital Connects. Did you know over 420 million people worldwide are using blockchain technology right now? That's like the entire population of North America. Did you also know that over 80% of the world's top banks are exploring blockchain technology to transform finance? That's right, this isn't just sci-fi tech anymore. It's changing the world. Today, we're diving into the fascinating universe of blockchain, cryptocurrency, and smart contracts. What's the secret link tying these three together? And why should you care? Grab a snack, because we're about to make this complex tech super simple with stories and analogies even your grandma could understand. Let's unlock the mysteries. First up, let's talk about blockchain. Imagine you and your friends are keeping a shared notebook to track who owes who money after a group trip. Everyone gets a copy of this notebook, and every time someone pays for something, like gas or pizza, you all write it down. But here's the kicker: once you write something, it's locked in with a magical, unerasable pen. No one can sneak in and change the records without everyone noticing. That's what a blockchain is, a super secure, shared digital notebook that lives on thousands of computers worldwide. Here's the deal: a blockchain is a decentralized ledger. No single person or bank controls it. It's transparent, so everyone can see the records, and it's immutable, meaning you can't rewrite history. Think of it like a public diary that's locked forever. This is the foundation for everything else we're talking about today. Let's say Sarah wants to send $10 to her friend Mike. In the old days, she'd use a bank, which might charge fees and take days. With blockchain, Sarah's payment is recorded instantly on this shared notebook, and everyone on the network agrees it happened. No bank, no fees, no waiting. That's the power of blockchain. Now, let's add cryptocurrency to the mix. Picture blockchain as the notebook and cryptocurrency as the digital cash written in it. Crypto, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, is money that exists only on the blockchain. It's not coins in your pocket. It's code secured by crazy complex math called cryptography. Here's an analogy. Imagine you're playing a board game with friends, and instead of real dollars, you use special game tokens. These tokens only work in the game, but everyone agrees they have value. Cryptocurrency is like those tokens, but they live on the blockchain, and you can use them to buy real things, like coffee, art, or even a car. Let's go back to Sarah and Mike. Sarah wants to send Mike $10 in Bitcoin. She opens her digital wallet, think of it like a phone app, and sends the Bitcoin. The blockchain notebook records: Sarah gave Mike 10 Bitcoin, and all the computers in the network double-check it. No bank is needed, and the transaction is done in minutes. Plus, it's super secure because cryptography locks it tight. That's crypto, the fuel that moves value on the blockchain. Okay, now let's talk about smart contracts, the coolest part of this trio. Imagine a vending machine. You put in money, pick your snack, and bam! The machine gives you your chips without anyone needing to hand them to you. A smart contract is like a digital vending machine built on the blockchain. It's a piece of code that automatically runs when certain conditions are met. Here's how it works. A smart contract is an agreement written in code, stored on the blockchain, and it executes itself. No lawyers, no paperwork, no waiting. For example, if you agree to pay $100 for a digital artwork, the smart contract can automatically send your payment to the seller and give you the artwork once both sides meet the deal's terms. Let's say Sarah is renting an apartment for Mike. They create a smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain. The contract says, if Sarah sends $500 rent, Mike's digital key unlocks the apartment. Sarah sends the crypto, the blockchain records it, and the smart contract instantly releases the key. No landlord delays, no bank fees, no trust issues. The code handles it all. That's a smart contract in action. A three-legged stool. So, what's the secret link between blockchain, crypto, and smart contracts? Picture a three-legged stool. The blockchain is the sturdy base, the notebook that holds everything together. Cryptocurrency is the fuel, the digital cash that moves through the system. And smart contracts are the brains, the code that automates trust and agreements. Together, they create a decentralized world where you don't need middlemen like banks or lawyers. Here's why these matters. This trio is changing how we handle money, trust, and deals. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine you're buying a rare digital artwork called an NFT. The blockchain records that you own it, you pay with cryptocurrency like Ethereum, and a smart contract ensures the seller gets paid and you get the NFT instantly. No gallery, no bank, no hassle, just tech doing the heavy lifting. So, why should you care about this tech? Because it's already reshaping the world. Blockchain, crypto, and smart contracts are powering decentralized finance, DeFi apps that let you lend, borrow, or trade without banks. Supply chains, tracking products like coffee or clothes to ensure they are legit. Digital ownership, from NFTs for art to virtual land in the metaverse. And here's the crazy part, this is just the beginning. Imagine a future where you vote securely on a blockchain, own your digital identity, or sign contracts that execute themselves. It's like the internet in the 90s, new, exciting, and full of potential. Here's another quick story. Imagine a musician, Lisa, who wants to sell her songs directly to fans. She puts her music on a blockchain platform, uses a smart contract to say, pay $1 in crypto, get the song, and the blockchain ensures every sale is secure and transparent. Lisa keeps more money, fans get music instantly, and no record label takes a cut. That's the power of this trio. So, there you have it, the secret link between blockchain, cryptocurrency, and smart contracts. Blockchain is the indestructible notebook, crypto is the digital cash, and smart contracts are the self-running agreements. Together, they are building a decentralized, trust-filled future. What do you think? Will you dip your toes into crypto, explore blockchain, or maybe even create a smart contract one day? If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Drop a comment. Tell me, what's one thing you're excited about in the blockchain world? Or, if you're still confused, let me know what to explain next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.